Hey guys, I'm Natasha from the Systemeio team, and in this online training, I'm going to show you how to use System to launch and run your online business. In this first video, we're going to run through the different features that are available on our platform. Firstly, you'll see the main dashboard as soon as you log into your account. You'll be able to view any new leads, any new sales, as well as live updates about your business. Then, if you look under dashboard, you'll be able to view an affiliate dashboard as well. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer or you promote other people's products, all of the details of those sales will be presented here. Underneath affiliate dashboard, we have a marketplace. This is where you can list your own offers to be promoted by other affiliate marketers, as well as view any offers that are available to promote. It's actually really cool. Next, we have contacts. This is where you can add and manage your contacts, as well as create tags for your contacts. Now remember guys, in System, we use tags to segment our audience. It is so much easier to do and a ton more effective. After that, you'll see funnels. Now this is where you can build and manage your sales funnels. These are the pages you create for your business, including sales pages, order pages, upsell pages, you name it. And there are loads and loads of templates for you to choose from to make it an easy process. After that, we have emails where you can create and manage any emails, including newsletters, as well as automatic campaigns that you can send to your audience. There's also detailed statistics based on your email marketing that you can view here. Blogs is where you can create and manage your blog posts and content marketing. Automations includes rules and workflows, which will automate your entire business, making it so much easier to run. Finally, in product and sales, we've got physical products. Remember, if you'd create an electronic product, you actually create it right on the payment page. I'll show you in a later video. Then there are also coupons where you can create coupon codes, orders to manage those physical products, transactions, which tracks any payments that have gone through, subscriptions with Stripe and PayPal, as well as affiliate invoices that help you manage your affiliates. Then here you'll be able to view and create courses, as well as course bundles, where you can, if you'd like, create 4 different courses, put them together in a bundle and sell them for a discounted price. Students is where you can manage anyone who has purchased your courses, as well as give them access to these courses, whether they've bought it and for free. You can do both. And then finally, my affiliate program is where you can manage and run your own affiliate program. How awesome is that, guys? Now, there are lots of different features here, and it's really easy to use. We get great feedback all the time. If you're struggling at any point, you can get help by clicking on the help button here. If you have any questions, you can easily contact our support system through this little chat button here. Let's go to the next video where I'm going to show you how to manage your contacts within Systemeio.